The Philippine Navy is steadily building its future fleet, not just with warships and patrol vessels, but also with vital amphibious assets. One potential game-changer is the acquisition of a modern landing ship tank, or LST, based on the 120-meter design of PT Terafulk from Indonesia. Built locally at the Cavite Naval Shipyard, this vessel could complement and eventually replace the aging Bacolod City-class logistics support vessels. Today, let's take a closer look at this 6,000-ton workhorse and how it could reshape the Navy's amphibious and sealift capabilities. For decades, the Bacolod City-class logistics support vessels have been the backbone of the Philippine Navy's sealift and amphibious transport capability. They have carried troops, vehicles, and supplies to remote islands, and have played a critical role in disaster relief operations. But as these ships age, the need for a modern replacement grows stronger. Enter the PT Terafulk 120m LST, a vessel designed with amphibious operations, rapid deployment, and humanitarian missions in mind. The Philippines, with its vast archipelagic geography and vulnerability to natural disasters, needs ships exactly like this. The LST-120 is a 120-meter long, 6,000-ton displacement vessel, making it larger and more capable than the Bacolod City-class ships it seeks to complement and eventually replace. Its design allows it to transport vehicles, armored units, and troops for amphibious operations, land forces directly onto shore via its bow door and ramp system, deploy landing craft, vehicle, and personnel boats, known as LCVPs, for over-the-horizon landing operations, operate helicopters from its flight deck, giving it flexible air-sea integration, providing emergency medical and life support facilities, a critical feature during humanitarian missions. This versatility makes the LST-120 not just a ship of war, but also a ship of peace, capable of supporting both military campaigns and disaster response. In military terms, the LST-120 would serve as a force multiplier for the Philippine Marine Corps and the Army. Its large cargo capacity and ability to launch multiple types of landing craft mean it can put boots on the ground fast during amphibious operations. This ship could carry an entire battalion with vehicles, heavy equipment, and supplies. With the added flexibility of helicopters and landing craft, the Philippine Navy can project force beyond the shoreline, ensuring troops and resources arrive where they're needed most at the same time. The LST-120 is equally valuable in non-combat scenarios. In a nation hit regularly by typhoons, earthquakes, and volcanic eruptions, the ship's capacity to deliver aid, medical teams, and relief goods directly to devastated coastal communities makes it indispensable. Building these ships at the Cavite Naval Shipyard would not only strengthen the Philippine Navy, but also boost the country's self-reliant defense posture, or SRDP, by acquiring foreign designs like PT Terafulk's LST and producing them locally. The Philippines develops its shipbuilding expertise and reduces long-term reliance on foreign suppliers. Strategically, a modern fleet of LST-120s would ensure stronger maritime security presence in the West Philippine Sea and Philippine Rise, faster mobilization of troops and resources across the archipelago, greater interoperability with allies during joint exercises and humanitarian missions. This ship type would bridge the gap between naval combat vessels and logistics support, ensuring the Navy can sustain both defense operations and humanitarian relief at scale. If the Philippines pursues this project, the first LST-120 could enter service in the coming years, with follow-on orders gradually replacing the Bacolod City-class vessels. Over time, the Navy could field a modern fleet of LSTs, ensuring the country has the amphibious and logistics capacity it needs for the 21st century. The LST-120 is not just another naval ship. It's a future enabler of both defense and disaster relief. The Philippine Navy's modernization continues to take shape, and with ships like the LST-120, the country could secure its maritime future while also being better prepared to help its people in times of need. What do you think? Should the Philippines prioritize building modern LSTs locally to replace its aging logistics fleet? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more defense updates. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.